Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can run Android Jelly Bean 4.3 in VMware Workstation. Actually, you can run most of the latest Android version like 4.0 ICS, 4.4 KitKat version 2 with the same process of installation. In previous videos I have shown that how you can this is my channel, that is BriefTut, how you can install Mac OS X in VMware and VirtualBox. So for more virtual machines videos, please subscribe my channel. So now let's head over to the download part. To download the latest ISO file, just go to this URL. I will link this URL in the description. So right now, as you can sort it, the latest Android version is this 4.3. I cannot see another ISO file, so you can search with many methods. Okay, as you can see, I have already downloaded it. If you cannot find here, just just search this in the internet, that is Google, and you will get many of ISO files. Okay, now let's launch the workstation, and you do not need to do any modifications. And now we will go into the file, new virtual machine, and we will select the automatic, the recommended, typical, do next, and browse your ISO file. You can see it is my ISO file and I am opening it. After that, do next. Now you can give any name here. I will like to give Jelly Bean 4.3, and here you have to give the path where it will save all the files. For right now I have created a dedicated folder for that is here. Now it will install all of the files in this folder, so I am selecting it and click OK. After that, do next, and now let it default. 20 GB is more than enough, and if you want you can give any amount, that is 80 GB. It's up to you. If you are choosing this single file, then it will create whole 80 GB file, so it's better to keep it dynamic so that it increase the file size with the amount of installation and other things. So I will select that which is recommended. Now click next, and after that, here you can customize your hardware. So customize it. I will like to give 50% of my RAM, that is 2 GB. My actual RAM is 4 GB, so give it 2 GB. Now processor, you can see, let me show you my computer specs. It is i5-2450M series, so it has only one processor, and in one processor it has 2 cores, so you have to search for that, but it is not so much necessary. I am just giving what I know. If you don't know anything, just let it default. After that, here you do not need to make any changes, and here and in display you can accelerate the 3D graphics if your motherboard gives 3D graphics, then it might help you in that. So this is it. Close it, and I want the machine to power on after clicking the finish button, so click finish. Now let's go to the full screen. Select inside and navigate with the keyboard up down key. Just go to the installation, and if you anytime when you want to get out from this virtual machine, because you cannot handle any other thing, any other your normal window with the cursor, so press Ctrl Alt. You can get your mouse back, and here you can go out of full screen. So this is the shortcut, Ctrl Alt Enter. Okay, I am navigating from the up down key, arrow key. Now install Android x86. Well, before installing, I would like to tell you something, that I have used many ISO and most of them were corrupted. So when I was going to install that, it was giving some error, some needs some command prompts. So I will suggest you to download my the ISO that I have shown you. So now press enter to install. Now we will create partition. Press enter, and we will navigate with the arrow keys. We will go to the new, press enter, and we will create it primary. I will give you whole memory because I do not want two partitions. We will create only one partition, so press enter. After that, navigate with the arrow key and first we have to make it bootable. I have pressed entered. You can see in the flags, that it has got boot option. Now go to the right and type in yes. You can see here it was asking to type yes, and I have typed yes. It is showing only YE, but I have typed yes. So after that I am clicking enter. It is writing my partition. Now we will quiet it, and after that we will highlight our partition, which is here SG1. Now we will hit enter. Now we will select ext3 format, so because Linux, normally Linux means Android, this normally this and FAT32, so ext3. Here you have to choose yes. Okay, now it is formatting my partition, and here we have to install the bootloader. So hit on, highlight the yes with the navigate keys and hit enter, and here we have to choose no. I don't know what are the roles of these two confirmations, but when I was learning this from net, they have told me to choose those options. So let's see if my Android is ready. Yes, you can reboot it, but I will go for run Android. Yes, if you are seeing this screen with a good transition without any lags, it means you will capable to run this Android smoothly. So anytime go to the full screen, Control Alt, press Control Alt to get back your cursor. Go to top and view exclusive mode, and it will make me in full screen. Now go to start. My seems my cursor slow, but maybe due to recording. It will take some time, so I am skipping to the next part. Well, it will use our local internet, so we will skip the Wi-Fi. Skip anyway. And yes, I have Google account, so I will enter the information. So I have entered my login credentials. Click next. Go to OK, and it will take some time. Now if you want to allow the location transmission or other things, make modifications according to yours. Click next. Not now. Just give any name here. Click finish, and we are ready to use our Android system. So this is the initial part, and if you want to fill this screen, just Control Alt and go to view. Hey, come on, go to view and auto resize, auto fit guest. It will auto fit according to your screen. And view fit guest now is not here right now. Stretch guest, yeah, stretch guest here. It actually doesn't increase the resolution, but it just stretch the screen. So now how we can go to Control Alt. So now let's see how we can turn off it. So right click and send Control Alt delete, and now we can close it from here with power shutdown. Okay, next time when you want to run this machine, just go to power on, click inside and go to test, the first option, hit enter, and it will work like a mobile. In plus, if you want to use the camera, but in my case I was not able to use the camera, just right click on the machine, go to removable and use your webcam, connect. You can see now, to unlock, just slide up and here we are to use our Android. Okay, so now see, you can see at the bottom that I cannot use my webcam, so I am powering off it. If you want to remove this from here, this directory, just go to right click and remove. It will not delete this machine from the hard disk, it will just remove it from the list. So remove it. You can see it will not delete. Okay, now let's see how we can get it back. Go to the directory where I have installed it, machines JB, and here double click on the .vmx file, that is 3 KB file. Normally it takes 3 KB, and you can get it back here. Come on, yeah, I have got it. Now if you want to completely delete it from the hard disk, so manage, first you have to bring that tab like this and go to manage and delete. Make sure it will completely delete everything, not a single part of its file will be remain there. So let's see how it deletes. Click yes, and you can see the folder has gone. This is it, and if you want to have more tutorials, so please head over to my channel, that is BriefTut, and you can make requests and more things. If you want to support me, please subscribe and head over to my site, that is thewayur.com. My phone rings, so here I end this tutorial. Thanks for watching my video and have a good day. Bye bye.